Testing review version 465. Editing comics continues to be an issue. For example, if someone is calling you while you are working, the app might crash later or you can't edit the comic because the next button is missing. You can barely see the preview button and it doesn't work. But I have found a solution. You just have to delete one element on the comic and the next button will appear. On the timeline area, you will see a play button that will recreate your frames, and that way you can continue editing. On this sample we can see the huge space that is taken by the watermark. Unfortunately, premium subscribers are not getting what they pay for because the watermark is not deleted. Fortunately, the speech bubbles are working really well. They are not cutting the words in the wrong place anymore, and they are supporting other alphabets as well. The following are important changes for both comics and videos. Don't get panic. The two icons that used to be on the right side, they were moved. Next to export, you will find only one icon with a question mark. It will display very old tutorials. At the bottom, you will find Telegram connection, and that will bring you to the chat. The props behind me are going to be around. That will help us to see if they work or they don't. Working with Ryan is tricky. If he is sitting and you change his expression, on editing mode, it looks like he is standing. But he remains seated when reproducing the video. A great improvement is on transitions. Now you can see clearly what is for entry or what is for exit. Unfortunately, there are less options. I was working with Mental today and he has problems with his rear arm. It seems that exporting time has been reduced. When exporting, please remember to wait until you will see this screen. If you don't tap on Save in Gallery, your video will not be available. Once you tap on it, you will see a check mark. I recommend you to save in Gallery first and then share. But the problem is, I can't send it to YouTube. A great improvement is on transitions. Now you can see clearly what is for entry or what is for exit. Unfortunately, there are less options. I was working with Mental today and he has problems with his rear arm. It seems that exporting time has been reduced. When exporting, please remember to wait until you will see this screen. If you don't tap on Save in Gallery, your video will not be available. Once you tap on the button, you will see a check mark. I recommend you to save in Gallery first and then share. So now you have looked and compared. The soccer ball works well, but the book and umbrella don't. And that's it for the revision on version 465. Thanks for watching.